This is a street artist in New York. He's working on a new piece of art. Street art like this is very popular right now, and artwork by famous street artists is now selling for a lot of money. But some people don't think this is art at all. They call it graffiti. They say it's illegal and that people can't do it. But one person's graffiti is another person's art. This is the Lenin Wall in Prague, in the Czech Republic. Its name comes from the musician John Lennon. To many people, he is a symbol of peace and freedom. So they come here to spray paint, draw, and write. This small wall in the Kampa area of the city is now famous all over the world. A lot of street artists copy its style. They use similar stencils and draw similar cartoons. Many tourists come here today to visit one of the world's first street art spaces. You can see the influence of the Lenin Wall all over Prague, and today the city has a lot of street art. This art isn't all huge wall paintings and graffiti-style writing. There's also a lot of sculpture. This is the Žižkov television tower. It's almost 30 years old and is now famous all over the world for its baby sculptures. Even buildings can be street art. This is the Dancing House. It's called this because it looks like two people dancing. It's very unusual and is very different from Prague's traditional architecture. But it's a very popular attraction, and all visitors to the city must see it. Of course, Prague isn't just famous for modern art. There are lots of examples of more classical works of art, like the Charles Bridge, Golden Lane, and the famous monument of St. Wenceslaus. Prague is a fantastic mix of old and new art. This is the case in many modern cities, and places like New York, London, and Sydney have some of the best street art in the world. In fact, what some people believe is illegal graffiti is now a global art phenomenon.